Welcome to relaxation. The Spa Luxetique Spa Gift Basket is here to transform any day into a luxurious retreat, making it the perfect addition to your self-care routine or a thoughtful gift for someone special. Each of the 15 products in this set is packed with nourishing ingredients that deeply moisturize your skin, leaving it feeling soft and pampered. With essentials like shower gel, bubble bath, hand cream, bath bombs, and more, this spa kit has it all, ensuring a comprehensive and luxurious bathing experience. The included tote bag isn't just for show. This durable bag can be used for shopping, dating, or any outing, adding practicality to luxury. This gift set is ideal for any occasion, especially for expressing your love and appreciation on Valentine's Day. It's the perfect gift for moms, sisters, and girlfriends alike. Join thousands of happy customers who appreciate the quality and luxury of this spa gift basket. With a high rating and glowing reviews, it's definitely a hit. If you're looking to pamper yourself or someone you love, don't miss out. Click the link in the description to grab your Spa Luxetique Spa Gift Basket now.